What's up, family? It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, in the place, in your face. Back again. And today I'm going to show you how to make a calzone. A homemade calzone. I had a little dough left over from my deep dish pizza. If you haven't saw that video, please go check that video out. I'm going to leave a link in the description. That way you know how to make deep dish pizza, Chicago style. Yeah. Now let's get to this calzone. Yeah. All right, for our calzone, this is right here. That's all. Very simple. All right, as you see, I had some dough left over from my deep dish pizza. That's why I decided to show you how to make a calzone. I got some mozzarella cheese, pepperonis, Italian sausage, green bell pepper, yellow onion, flour for the dough, and Parmesan cheese. This is all gonna be our calzone. Now you're free to use whatever filling you want to, whatever you like. You can stuff it in there how you like. But this is what I like, so this is what we're gonna make today. First, let's take our dough. Let's throw some flour down so it won't stick on us. There we go. Now, I already made it into a ball and let it set and get ready, so we don't have to go through that process. So we're just gonna roll this boy out. That's all we're gonna do to it. That's why you seen the rolling pin in the frame. There we go. All right, let's get this boy rolled out. Let's just make sure our dough is all flat and even to where we can fold it for our calzone. Put a little more flour on there. There we go. And this is about big as you want it. That's enough room to fill it and fold it. Just like that. So let's just get it all ready. All right, next step. All right, now that our dough is rolled, let's fill it up. Let's get some filling in now. And of course, we're gonna lay this boy with some mozzarella on the bottom. That's gonna be our bottom right there. There we go. Now let's take our green peppers. Sausage. Go. Take our onions. Just like that. There we go. A little more peppers on there. Yeah. All right. Of course, pepperonis. There we go. Now let's add the cheese. Top it off with cheese one more again. There we go. Alrighty. Let's make sure we have some room at the end so we can close it. Yeah. So now we just take it, get all my cheese in there. Now we're just gonna take it, we're just gonna fold it. Kind of pull your dough up, stretch it a little bit, and you just wanna fold it. All right, now that we have it folded, let's go ahead and get it closed up. Make sure we get all our cheese and ingredients on the inside where they belong, not on the cutting board like I have it. So let's just make sure we get this boy sealed up. turn it into a real deal Holyfield Calzone. Just like that. Alrighty. We'll just take the ends. We're just gonna twist it. Twist it as such. That'll seal your calzone. Also make it look a little more delectable. Presentation goes a long way. There we go. Let's make sure. There we go. Yeah. Cook, y'all. Yeah. All right, now we have our calzone on our baker's mat, and I'm gonna take some of this garlic butter I whipped up real quick here. We're just gonna brush it. We're just gonna brush it. And as you guys can tell, I've used the already made dough that comes in a can. If you want the homemade fresh dough recipe, I will leave a link in the description for my video with the homemade pizza dough. So we're just gonna brush that boy up just like that. There we go. Alrighty. Now we're just gonna pop it in the oven at 400 for 15 to 20 minutes, maybe 25. We're gonna come back and check it though. We'll be back with the finished results. Yeah. Real quick, I just want to remind you, once you get it all brushed up and looking good, shining and everything, go ahead and make a few slits in your dough. That way you make sure it gets cooked all the way through. Made like 3 little slits. Just before. This is kind of fat. Just like that. Now that boy ready to go in the oven. Yeah. Alright, as you can see, our calzone is finished. Yeah. Not quite, almost. We're gonna hit it with the garlic butter one more again. One more again. As such. Yeah. Hit it with some more Parmesan cheese. Yes. That's our quick and easy homemade calzone. Yeah. All right, we all said and done. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we made. Still a little warm, but my hands can handle it. Yeah. And you know we gotta taste it. We have to taste it. Yeah, calzone in your face. Italian sausage, pepperoni, onions, and bell peppers. Shit like that. Calzone for dinner. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. That boy can cook. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. As always, out the place, out your face.